Question says a hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted. This is a dome and we have to paint this part. Has to be the curved surface area, as you know that the base of the dome is not visible. So will be by default, it is the curved surface area is what we will be painting. And the circumference of the base of the dome is given as 17.6 meter. That means here we know the circumference of the base. As you can see, the circumference of the base is this, right? And this is the shape here. As you can see, this is the circumference of the base and its shape is circle. So that implies we know the circumference of the base, which is 2 pi r. The circumference of the base is, as you can see, it is in the shape of a circle. Clearly, it is in the shape of a circle. Therefore, we'll be writing the circumference of this base and equating this with 17.6 as per the question given. Now we have to find the cost of painting. That means cost of painting. For that, we need to first find the curved surface area. That means this one. Once we find the curved surface area, then multiply with its rate to get the whatever the total cost needed. So the working involved will be like replacing pi with 22/7 so as to get r here. And in order to get r, we'll be transposing this number 7 multiplied and 2 into 22 divided. So this is divisible. This is, if I can reduce temporarily this decimal, I can see 12, 11, 2 times and 11, 16 times. So 2 into 2, 4 times. So we got the radius, 7 into 4 is 28 and 28/10. So r is equal to 2.8. We got the radius as 2.8 centimeter. Now, once we got the radius, what next we have to do is find the curved surface area. For finding the curved surface area, we'll be applying the formula as it is a hemisphere, which is 2 pi r square. Now, replacing pi with 22/7 and r we have got at 2.8. So it's 2.8 into 2.8. We can reduce it 7 with 0.4 times. So the final calculations involved here, this is 44. So we'll get 44 into 4 into 28. And then we'll put some decimal here. So this is 4928 and 1, that is 2 decimal place. This much centimeter square is the curved surface area. And this is meter square, not centimeter square. As you can see here, we know these values in terms of meter. This is meter. So we got this answer as in meter square. Now further we have to find the cost, as you must be knowing that in order to get the cost, total cost, it should be the area multiplied by the rate. So to get the cost, we'll be multiplying area, which we have got as 49.28, and this is given rupees 100 per centimeter square. Now here comes the conversion. As you can see here that the rate is given in centimeter square. So we must be converting this value in centimeter square only. So in order to convert meters square into centimeter square, we'll be multiplying with 100 twice. Why twice? Because it is not a meter, it is meter square, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this comes out to be 4928 followed by 2 more zeros. That is centimeter square. So now we'll be finding the total cost. In order to get the total cost, we'll be multiplying this value. That is, we have this value as 492800, and the rate is rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. That is 5/100. We can reduce these. As you can see here, 100 is divisible. 2 zeros get cancelled. So the total cost that we will get in terms of rupees, that comes out to be 4928, and that multiplied by 5. So it will give you rupees So maybe rupees 24640. This much rupees will be the cost.